Smelting furnace, compound 2 resin.
I'm back.
Let's get that started. And I'll put a smelter on that and see if we can combine anything to make it.
Okay.
If we can, we'll go do. Did you say it was a grinder of some kind?
Yeah, I thought I saw a grinder. Let me see.
So we need to get the debris. Stick that in it, I think.
Medium generator. A shredder.
Go on and learn that.
Okay, it's 1,250 bytes, so
Yeah, that's fine.
we need iron.
Ah, okay.
So don't learn it yet?
No, not yet.
Okay. A drill.
Let's put that over here.
Printer. Ooh, it's getting light out. What do we need?
Medium wind generator, medium solar. Alright.
Medium.
Yeah.
You said small solar?
No, medium, if you can.
I don't see it.
Build a furnace.
All I see is small.
Click the tier 2 stuff.
Yeah.
Let's move away from that printer.
Oh, I see now. Medium wind turbine. Ooh. But you need glass and ceramic. We have ceramic. Didn't we? Oh, and copper.
There's always copper in it.
Yes, it is. Okay, so...
Let's see if we can get the shredder working and see if we can put debris in it. Hopefully we can then get copper from that. Looks like it's almost done. Alright, take an extra bundle of compound with you. So they can make tethers, make sure you got plenty.
Yes. Where are we going?
Look for copper.
Making lots of tethers.
We're completely running out of power. We need to build generators and stuff. Let's unplug the big printer. Hopefully it'll stop its draining a bit.
Let's see. Let me move my butt. Oh, this one's done researching. Let's research this rock. And this is the smelting.
Finds metal, burns resources.
Okay. Let's put in... You gonna put organic in?
Yeah, just see if it gives us extra power. Didn't look like it does much. There you go, that's why. No, it's flaming at the top.
You can cook on top. Go get some eggs and cook them on top.
Marshmallow?
Mhm.
It's burning through it. I don't know, it doesn't look like it's giving us extra power though. Oh, it's just, oh, it's turning into something else, look. Something's
Where?
coming out the top of it.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like charcoal or something. See, at the very top.
Oh, right here, yes. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot.
It's almost finished. Stick everything on and see what we can get.
Should we just do one at a time now?
Yeah, just do one of each.
Okay.
What's that give us? Carbon.
Carbon.
Ah.
Okay.
So the green stuff gives you carbon. I'll put these next to each other.
Alright, I'm gonna try resin. Because we have lots of that.
Well, we have got one ceramic. I think clay might turn into ceramic. Quartz may turn into glass.
Well, it's on. Why isn't it working?
Unless it's run out of power. It's night time, probably.
Oh. True. Huh. Oh.
It seems to like quartz.
You know what it was, probably.
What?
Because I only had one material in there. Maybe...
No, it did it with one organic, didn't it?
Yeah, but maybe like different combinations of materials yield different kinds of things together.
Maybe it just doesn't work. Resin.
What's it taken away?
It's taken quartz. I think it's going to convert into glass.
Looks kind of like glass, isn't it?
Yeah. Almost finished. Glass.
Oh, well done.
He's doing the next one clay, and I think that's going to convert it into ceramics.
Yeah. That would make sense.
Good.
Maybe it doesn't do ammonium or resin.
Aluminium.
Yeah.
Cool. Right, I think I know where to get copper.
Okay.
And
Something's
get it
on...
under... Go on.
Oh, I was gonna say something's on researching. I'm just gonna pop another in.
Let me see if I can... melt this.
Oh. That's a good idea.
We're looking for malachite.
Okay.
No, I don't think you can. Right, let's see if I've got find on her.
Now, can you take something that's already been refined or cut down and do it even more?
That I'm not sure about. So we've got loads of glass. Right, let's see if I can find this copper.
Give me 1 second. I just want to drop some junk. Okay. So,
Find it on mountains as like glowing crystal things. And also can find it underground. I found some by accident, but I didn't farm it.
Really?
I didn't farm it properly.
Do you remember where?
No.
Glowing crystal.
Looks spiky like a plant. Let's go down the cave system again.
Okay.
We've got loads of tethers.
Do you remember what color too?
It looks browny, coppery.
Brown. Okay. I did see that on the mountain. That's what it was, but there was only one. If it's what I think it looks like.
I don't know what oxygen filter does. Right, let's go down. Whee!
Wee! Look at this.
It's worth a price just doing that.
Yeah.
Right, let's have a quick look around where some more stuff you can learn. Getting loads of bites.
Where did we go last time?
Right, I've got loads of tethers now, so I can explore properly. Right, miles over here. Ah, it fell down.
Hold on. Oh. Not good. Oh, tethers. What's this? Debris.
Let's press the tether a little bit late. Oh, there's some stuff down there.
What is
There's
this?
some nasty plants. What's what? What's this?
I keep forgetting what this is.
Oh crap!
What?
I just fell miles down through a hole in the ceiling.
Uh-oh. Do you need tethers?
No, I'm okay. We fell in where we went before. Luckily. Otherwise I'd be going where the hell am I?
Wait, the slidey hole? Hey!
I'm like on a third level down.
What is that?
That's what?
There's like pink crystals. Look straight up. Behind you.
That's crystal thingy. I see it. Yeah, it's the thing that makes glass, I think.
Oh.
Is there anything down here?
Quartz. Did you take fall damage?
I don't think I did, but I kind of slid,
Yes, you
so I'm
do.
not sure. I was just really lucky then.
Okay.
Oh crap! Oh crap!
What?
I kind of died and fell through a hole in the ground. Oh, that's not good.
Do you remember
I'm coming
where?
back to you. Oh, that was seriously not good.
Research.
Lost on. Oh, I need to get some more tethers. Let me get some more compound just in case.
I've got lots of tethers too.
I'm trying to chisel out a safe ramp because the one I keep going down's got a really bad hole. I fell down there. Right, can you build this up? Can you fill that hole in?
Yes, of course.
Well. You're gonna have to be able to get me down there, because I can't.
Okay, give me a sec. Just make it so we don't...
Shall we get down this side?
Yeah, whatever side you think.
Yeah, get on there. We can go around.
Okay. Let me do... Might not be the best builder, but...
Oh, Michelle, I've got full confidence in you.
Uh-oh.
Right, where did I dig down to? There it is. Where you gone, Michelle?
Nowhere.
Come here.
Coming.
Over. This is where I dug down to, and there's a hole so don't slide.
Don't slide.
With a tether.
Okay.
There's a hole of death right below us. Ah!
Can you get
You're
your
gonna
stuff?
fill that up because I can't get up. It's directly right below us. Down there.
That's a whole death. So fill it or make a ramp down.
What's that?
Wait. Ah! Are we making a ramp?
I'm trying to. Yeah, can you build up? Build up to here.
Make it gradual or?
Yeah, just along this so I can walk down. Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh no!
Michelle, save her! Save Michelle! Save me on the edge! Michelle! Uh-oh. Do not fall, Michelle.
I'm kinda stuck. Hold on, don't.
I can't help it, Michelle. I've got to mine. It's lots of juicy... Oh shit, I'm on a tiny little bit of rock. And there's a huge gap below me. Right, do not mine that thing below me. I'm coming up.
Oh!
That scared you, did it?
Yes.
Oh! No, no, no! No, no, no!
Uh-oh.
Are you dead as well?
No.
Oh, you amazing, Michelle. You stay alive.
I'm stuck.
You protect me. Let's do some more research. I completely sucked. That's 2 dead bodies.
Can you get your stuff back?
I don't know, can you build down there?
I'm gonna walk slowly.
Whee! And yes, I will be going wee every time I go down there. Oh, I've got no tethers. Oh, wrong way.
Oh, this is a bit deep.
Ah?
Okay.
Yeah.
So much
Trying
stuff
to
down
work
here.
out where you've gone.
Do you need me to come back?
No, I'll be fine. That one's behind you. Oh! Don't want to fall. Ah! Oh, behind you, Michelle!
Ah!
How's the building going?
It's a bit slow.
Make the ramp a bit wider.
It's really hard to control this.
Press Alt. Oh, I can't remember what's to straighten it. Come on, Michelle, don't fall.
I'm trying not to.
Michelle, that's a very thin ramp. I've got a history of dying a lot.
I'm widening it.
I don't, I've got a plan. Yeah, well done.
But
Right. Let's do the corkscrew.
oh, but first we need oxygen.
I've got no tethers.
I've got some. Oh, look at you.
Alright,
Smart.
we're going to use this column. I'm going to do a corkscrew all the way around. In fact, let's just do a ramp down. Yeah, we can. That'll do. Alright, have you got any tethers? Or was a nasty plant? There we go, I killed it. Die plant. Die, evil plant scum. Where's my body? Where's my little dead body?
Oh. What's this? Ooh, lots of bites. Oh,
There's one body.
that's sad.
Right, we can take this up, Michelle.
Yes?
That thing I just dropped to you. Soil. We've got loads of little things. That was my other dead body. We've got more tethers. Beacon.
Oh, it dropped your stuff.
I guess it did. Was another body.
I don't know.
I died twice. Oh, Michelle, you saved me.
Oh.
You saved my stuff.
Where is this copper?
What's that thing do? Where's it going? Oh, come here. Small generator, turn on. I should do that then.
I found something over here.
I think my body must have disintegrated.
Oh no.
Come here, Michelle.
Coming?
Whee! 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 Oh, it's plant.
What plant?
Kill a plant, Michelle. Kill a plant.
What's it
It's
gonna
coming for you. Run!
Eh?
Run!
I've got...
It shoots poison gas at you. It farts on you. It's a fart plant.
I can't
Chuffer.
breathe. A chuffer?
Silent and deadly, Michelle.
Oh my god.
It must be quite far down.
Yeah. What's it?
Watch my oxygen. Whoa. I'm coming, Michelle. Come in. Save me.
I'm building tethers to you.
Save me, Michelle. Hold on.
Oh,
Let's
there's-
get fuller.
What is this? Am I out of tethers? I am. Wow. I used my last bit.
Save my ass. Oh, where's copper?
Oh no, this is kind of hard.
Quick look down here.
Alright, I'm gonna risk it. It's blue stuff.
Oh, I hope I can get back.
Wow, look at all this. Oh, a zebra ball. Like what you had before.
Whoa!
Laterite. What?
I'm coming to you with tethers.
I need that oxygen.
Yeah, Michelle.
Oh,
What's this?
what's what?
It's debris. Oh, it's another way down.
Oh, jeez. It's deep.
I think you can actually burrow through the centre of the earth.
Really?
Yeah. I've not tried it though. Alright, let's keep an eye out for nasty holes this time. Oh, that looks like a nasty hole.
You want me to drop down this time?
Yeah, you go first, Michelle.
Okay.
To say women and children first.
Jeez, that's far down. Oh my goodness, you gotta look at this.
Oxygen. Right, got his oxygen. I'm sliding.
Uh-oh.
That was close.
It's kind of hard to build with this thing. Alright, I got a trick.
Ah! Ah!
Oh no!
Ah!
Are you?
Uh-oh. Michelle, build up quick. Build up.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Build up quick, Michelle.
Okay,
I've got no oxygen.
Ah, too much pressure.
Pressure's on you. Quick.
Here. Here, stand on thing. I'll build you up while you stand.
I lie, Michelle. I'm fine.
Oh my gosh.
We're going pretty darn deep. Hell are you building, Michelle?
Ramp.
Oh crap, I nearly fell off. So, that drops down a bit.
We can get up like that.
Still don't know why I can't build anything. Yeah, I'll be fine. Now can you fill this little gap here?
Gap. Yeah.
Over here?
You can't build anything.
No. Still not letting me build. Just goes cancer cross on it. Big hole. Do not fall down that hole where I just jumped over. Fill this in.
Oh yeah.
I nearly went for a nasty slide then. Keep an eye out for
Hey, what's this?
potholes.
It's pink. Oh, we already have that. Quartz. I got excited for a minute. But what are these boxes? Do you know?
I think it's just rocks. Standard rock.
So much stuff. But it's all the same.
There's plant after your plant. Run, run!
Really? Go away, plant.
Coming after your stones. Run, run! You need to dig the plant up to kill it.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. It's chuffing at me. Can't see it.
I hear it.
I think it's underground or something.
Sounds like it's by you. Ow.
Let's not do that.
Oh, I found it. Got it. Oh no!
Oh, MeShell!
What happened?
I'm gonna steal all your good stuff.
What good stuff?
I'll stay by your body.
Aw.
Oh, MeShell. I'm not the only one who died.
What? I need compound for tethers, but I'll just come down.
But I do kind of need you to come down
Yeah, I'm coming.
because I can't build any ramps to get back up again.
Whee! Okay. This is
So
gonna
is
be a
compound.
long way down. I don't know if I remember the way.
Oh, MeShell.
Please be the right way.
What amount of tethers?
I think I might need your help.
Then you're doomed.
Uh-oh. Really? Where did we go? Because all these tethers lead to nowhere.
I think it's to the left.
What's left? Sure it's not
It's
to the right?
compound. What the hell is that? How's
It's
that
not-
banging about?
I can't. What the hell? Alright, that's the way up. So we went to the left. I'm just about to fall down one of these holes and just hope that I go somewhere. Do we go straight
Just,
after left, or
that's
do
a
we go
spirit.
left, left?
Hold on. I put beacon down, can you?
Nah, I
Can you
can't
see a little beacon about miles below you?
Yeah. Alright, let me try.
I'll come and get you, MeShell, because I don't... Oh.
Wait, no, I think I found it. I found it. No.
Now's the time to check your building.
Alright, this doesn't make any sense. Okay, this is the hole of death, I think.
Come here, MeShell.
Wait, I'm almost here, I think. Whee! Okay, so where did we go after this?
No, you're not almost there, MeShell.
Yes, I am.
Well, can you see me?
No.
There you go.
Oh, I see you.
Over here.
Gosh, we're down far. Whee!
Don't slide, don't slide, don't slide.
Oh. Oh, I need to build that better.
Which way is it? Uh-oh. Can you see your body?
No. Oh, did we go backwards? Behind? Yes, I see. Found it.
Look up before him.
Oh, my poor body.
You got all your stuff?
What do I do? Just click it and then...
Pick all the stuff off it and it vanishes. Yes.
Why can I still see my body?
Got tethers or anything?
No, not that I see. Oh, it's gone
There you
now.
go, it's vanished.
Okay.
There's compound here if you want to build extra tethers.
Yes, I need compound bad.
Oh, what's that on there?
Oh, what? Oh, 2.
There you go.
Oh, lots of compound.
Gotta walk carefully.
Scan that. Soil, soil.
What?
I almost fell. Giant hole. Okay, I can make tethers now. Ammonium.
Trying to hold down.
Oh, you're gone.
Ooh, so deep.
Yeah.
Thought we broke through.
Oh my goodness.
This thing goes on forever.
I think so. But I don't see any different kind of resources, do you?
You're gonna have to build a ramp. Still can't build anything.
Really? Oh, I almost forgot oxygen.
I was gonna scare you. I was going, MeShell oxygen!
Alright, I'm gonna risk it.
Yeah.
Oh, I made it. Alright, I'm gonna build...
Build a ramp up to me here. Don't leave me here, MeShell. Save me.
Save you.
I'll dig away and you can dig up. I need oxygen.
Oh.
We're getting loads of research points. Where the hell is the copper? I have to
Come
call
on.
this episode, Journey to the Centre of the Earth. I found a big purple alien spaceship or mushroom.
Really? Ew.
But it vanished.
I saw it for a second. Oh, look at this mushroom.
Where you going?
Big
Okay.
green mushroom.
Ooh.
Uh-oh. Why isn't that connecting? What's
Well, I'm running out of tethers a lot.
Something's wrong.
What?
Oh, there we go. Never mind. It's a big green mushroom over here. I don't know what it is.
You can farm it if you want. Might be soon at the base of it. Sparklers.
It just disappeared.
Over there.
Oh, that was so close. Let me build a bridge.
More quartz.
Wow.
And purple. Where's the big
Wow.
pinky?
What the heck? We found the center of the Earth?
And it is a big mushroom alien. What was that doo-doo?
Don't know.
I'm out of tethers.
You
And
are?
we've got one more left. And that's it.
I don't
As
have...
in one more batch.
Wow. I don't have any.
Okay, so as far as we're going then.
Alright.
We've got an achievement for going so deep.
Really? Oh, I just got it. Oh! No, 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 no! Oh, no, 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 no!
Michelle, get back quick. It's going to crush you, Michelle. It's going to crush you.
Oxygen. Oh, that was scary. I think.
This stuff starts to chisel through. So that's solid rock.
Yeah. Digging the same spot. Kind of afraid to go.
Is lava going to come up?
Right? Oh, another mushroom.
Going as deep as we can.
Wow. Can I stand on it?
Yeah, it'll eat you out.
Really?
No. Ah!
No!
I'm sorry,
No!
Michelle!
Dead.
Oh my god, Michelle,
No.
that's a long way down.
How did I live? How? Oh my gosh, I'm alive.
I'm going back to base.
You're gonna leave me down here to suffer?
You got no oxygen, Michelle. Got no oxygen.
Ah, leave me here to die. Alright, I'll just show you what it's like. Lots of mushrooms.
Oh my god. That was very disastrous.
Wow, lots of mushrooms.
I'll have a look at your video at SeeShellGaming. Oh, Michelle, your body's dead.
Left me here to die.
Michelle, it's not a good idea to stand on that mushroom.
No. I think you knew and you were like, yeah, stand on the mushroom.
No, I didn't know there's nothing below it. I'm just hoping I can get back without you. So I can't build up.
Oh, you'll be fine. Oh.